Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of GOATED, the GOATED Network token, and exploring how you can potentially get involved. We'll touch upon its connection to MEXC Global, the upcoming TG, its use of blockchain technology, and even its relation to BTC and Bitcoin, along with its implementation of ZK. Oh, what exactly is GOATED? It's the token powering the GOATED network, designed with specific purposes and utilities within its ecosystem. Key features often include elements like deflationary mechanisms or governance rights for token holders. Now, let's discuss the GOATED network itself. This is the broader ecosystem where GOATED plays a vital role. Understanding the network's vision and mission is crucial to assessing the token's long-term prospects. Key technology underpinning GOATED relies on blockchain technology, and we'll examine aspects like scalability and security. We will also touch on ZK, or zero-knowledge technology, and consider how it impacts the network. Key event to watch is the Token Generation Event, or TGE, for GOATED. We'll provide details on dates, participation requirements, and how the tokens will be allocated, giving you the information you need to potentially acquire GOATED during this initial offering. Any avenue for purchasing GOATED is through the MEXC Global Exchange. We'll walk you through a step-by-step guide, covering everything from creating an account and completing KYC verification to depositing funds like BTC or USDT, and finally, how to trade for GOATED, potentially utilizing screenshots or visual aids to help you along the way. You'll also look at the connection between GOATED and Bitcoin, or BTC, the leading cryptocurrency. This includes understanding the trading pairs, such as GOATED/BTC, and how Bitcoin market trends can impact GOATED's performance. An important part of evaluating any cryptocurrency is its tokenomics. We will provide a breakdown of GOATED's total supply, circulating supply, distribution mechanisms, and whether any token burning mechanisms are in place, and how these things may affect value and scarcity. Looking ahead, the GOATED network has a roadmap outlining its short and long-term goals for both the network and the GOATED token. We'll discuss future development plans, potential partnerships, and the strategies in place for innovation and continued growth. It's crucial to remember that cryptocurrency investments come with risks. We'll acknowledge these potential risks, emphasizing the importance of doing your own research before investing. We'll touch on volatility, security concerns, and regulatory considerations that could impact GOATED. In conclusion, GOATED presents an intriguing opportunity within the GOATED network. We encourage you to conduct thorough research, engage with the community, and proceed with caution if you decide to buy GOATED. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.